If you are not using AI, you are getting left behind, and this book will get you caught up. AI for Beginners Made Easy, a step-by-step guide made for beginners. Release the power of generative AI in your life. This is going to be by Lane Peterson and the AI Labs Foundation. This book is absolutely awesome. I absolutely love AI. I feel like I'm a little bit more advanced, and I learned a ton from this book. This book covers everything you could possibly need. So right off the bat, you're going to get 100+ ready-made prompts. If you know nothing about AI, don't worry. This book has it covers. This is the table of contents right over here. It has the most popular AI platforms, what they are best to be used for. So this way you know exactly which one to use it for. This is going to show you how to turn your AI into your assistant, your creative director, how to use it for social media, how to set it up for emails. This just covers everything. One of my favorite parts about the book is this in a nutshell section. So for every chapter in this book, at the very end, it has in a nutshell, and it's going to kind of go over exactly what that chapter covered and all the key points. One of the things that I like most about this is not only the breakdown of the different platforms, but specifically how to create prompts. Prompts, if you don't know, is how you get the best out of AI. And this one walks you through exactly how to get the best prompts, how to use this to get a creative director, use this for social media. AI is super powerful, and this book goes over everything you could possibly want to know to get it set up. Even if you know nothing about AI, this book is perfect. So if you're looking for a way to use AI to better improve your life, stop doing repetitive tasks and get the best out of AI, definitely check out this book. And a huge thank you to the author for sending this over so I could do this review.